In the past months, coronavirus has impacted all aspects of life, including education. But we can't let your studies suffer. We at Chandigarh University have developed ourselves as a technology-driven new age university since inception. We were the first to adopt the digital mode of teaching during this crisis. So, drop off your worries. Your studies will start on time. We adopted the world's top-end learning management system, Blackboard, to impart individualized quality education through live real-time classes. You will be mentored and groomed by experienced facilities and get world-class education and assessments using various technology mediums. CU is prepared to impart blended, social and geographically independent learning through simulated labs and other technological tools to give you a real-time learning experience. We won't let lockdown hamper your studies. Get ready to begin your journey. Call now 1800 1212 88800.